Okay, if you're getting this email, that means Absolute Roofing has been out to check your roof for hail damage, and we found hail. So I thought maybe it'd be helpful if I could explain some of the insurance paperwork, because that's going to be your next tackle that you'll have to handle with this hail claim. This is the roofing portion of the insurance summary. All the portions of this summary are different things. So roofing, guttering, anything that hail damages will be in here as line item like this, and it tells us what the insurance is paying to replace. The roofs are pretty easy because they're pretty much the entire roof, whereas the guttering is often units instead of the whole thing. It can be guttering, not downspouts. It can be downspouts, not guttering. It can be gutter guard, partial gutter guard, those kind of things. So we typically will price those items after the insurance has been out. But this is what to look for whenever you receive your insurance summary. So going through this, the roofing portion here, you have the tear off of the shingles, the installation of the shingles, drip edge, which is a edging that goes around the perimeter of your roof that helps with water shedding into gutters and things. You have ridge cap, which connects pieces of roofs together. You have starter strip, roof vents. This particular roof has 10 pipe jacks, which are your flashings that go around your plumbing vents, furnace caps, etc. You can read, so we'll just let you go through there. This particular roof is steep, so the insurance pays for steep pay starting at 712 pitch, going all the way up to 1212 and beyond. So back to this column right here. This entire column is called replacement cost value. Replacement cost value is the maximum amount of money that the insurance is giving you to do the repairs that they have deemed to be damaged. So each item has its own replacement cost value, and they summarize it down here at the bottom at $10,778.50. So if I were bidding this roof, I would have to make sure that my amount is equal to or less than this number. I can't go over without getting prior approval. The only reason that we would be over insurance would be a difference in these squares right here. But typically we are under what the insurance pays, and we should be good at that point. So then you have your depreciation total. Your depreciation is what the insurance has deemed that you have used up of your items. So like this particular roof was 33% used up. So this would be a 30-year shingle that was 10 years old, and they would hold that money back and will not be available to you until after the work is completed and they have been invoiced. Once the insurance has seen the invoice, they will pay this depreciation amount. This number right here is your actual cash value. So this is what all of your property is worth in its current state and what's left of each one of those. So every section has its own line item like this, and then they will summarize it onto a page that is this page. So this is your whole entire insurance claim all on one page. So you have line item totals, which is what we just went over, plus the material sales tax. That gives you this replacement cost value of $12,739.13. Of that money, they have held back for depreciation $3,294.39. So that is what you've used up of your property, and they are keeping that until you've replaced those items, and then they will release that at the end of the job. You have your dreaded deductible that everybody loves. This one's $1,000. So if you take your replacement cost value, subtract off the depreciation, the items you've used up, minus your deductible, your first payment will be $8,444.74. After the work is complete, you're allowed to collect your depreciation. That depreciation is $3,294.39. But there's a trick to that. So let's say that Absolute Roofing bids this roof at $12,000 even. The roof and all the accessories like gutters and gutter guards and stuff. We do all that stuff. So let's say we bid it at $12,000. Insurance, whenever we turn in our invoice, will reduce your depreciation money by $739.13. So if you take that $3,294.39 minus $739.13, it will reduce the total amount of the claim. They don't pay that unless it's incurred. So that's an up to amount. But this particular claim is $12,739.13, and you subtract off your deductible, which comes, and if you apply for all of that depreciation, then you have $11,739.13 left. Thanks.